Hey guys, I have my Tesla right over here and I got a bit of a scratch on my trim, so I'm gonna try and restore them. As you can see, the two white spots. So I'm going to be using the CERAKOTE ceramic coating trim coat restoration kit. I bought it from Walmart for $17 and it comes with 8 wipes. And I also have the Amazon and Walmart purchase link description box below so you can check that out. So here I have one of the packets. So let's tear it open. And inside reveals the wipe itself. Now let's apply it on our trim and let's see if it actually works. So boom, and wow, it actually removed the white spots. And it actually made the rest of the trim and that spot itself black. So this actually does work. Now let's apply it on the whole trim and let's see. Wow, as you can see, the white spot is just gone. So now let's use the back side and apply some more. Wow, this did work. So awesome. I really recommend this product, and for around $17 it's not that bad. So once again, the purchase link will be found in the description box below. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.